Hi, this is Korean꾸야 who learned how to cook on internet. One of my Korean subscribers asked me that, Kuya, can you introduce very simple Filipino food to me? So today, I'm gonna cook garlic fried rice. I will introduce garlic fried rice with my own version. Very simple and delicious. Don't worry. Let's start to cook. Yeah. Of course, you need a garlic. Like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just more than 7. Like around 10. And smash. Crush. And chop. Korean really love garlic. Don't worry, if you want to use more, you can use more. And then prepare the pan and fry it. I think for fry, use the cooking oil is better than butter. Put enough cooking oil on pan and deep fry. If you want to use minced garlic or ground garlic, you have to remove the humid from the you have to remove the humid first. Humid? Am I right? Humid? Yeah, I think humid. You have to remove that with a paper towel. But if you use garlic like me, just fry. What's the magic word? MSG. It's MS time. But unfortunately, Korean doesn't have a magic sarap, so I'm gonna use Korean condiment. Shit! What a man! I'm dead. And add rice. And add 1 tablespoon of butter. What is this? I just trying to give us some little bit smoky flavor, but it looks like I don't know what is this. Okay. Chef, don't cook like me. It's burnt. It's bitter. I screwed up. Today, I failed. Sorry. It tastes like a shit. I want to try again, but I don't have rice. Sorry. Someday, I will show you perfect garlic fried rice. Okay? Bye bye, my food.
It was Korean꾸야.
Bye bye.